GFD 106 Children's.
Lopio, Leona L.
Good day everyone, I'm Duna Elapio from VTVT Ed2C, major in Garments, Fashion and Design.
Good day everyone. For today's video I'm going to discuss and demonstrate the types of fasteners and how it will be attached in the garments. Hook and eye. Hook and eye is a fastening for clothes consisting of a small hook hooked onto a small metal or thread loop. It is commonly used to fasten top of dresses and trousers instead of a zip fastening. Concealed zippers. Concealed zippers have the teeth hidden behind a tape, so that the zipper is invisible. The tape's color matches the garments, as does the sliders and the pullers. It is common in skirts and dresses. Button. Button is a small disc or knob sewn onto a garment, either to fasten it by being pushed through a slit made for the purpose or for decoration. Non-utilitarian buttons are also frequently used. How hook and eye can be attached. How concealed zippers can be attached. How button can be attached. Submitted to Miss Jingle Penton.